Want to create PDF from photos on your device? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is open your Photos app. Then select the photo that you want to convert into PDF. Now you want to tap on this share icon. Then find the option of Save to Files, tap on that. Now go ahead and select your folder, then tap on this tick mark option. Next thing you want to do is open up the Files app. Next, you want to locate the photo, tap and hold on that. Now find the option of Quick Actions, tap that. Here you have the option of Create PDF, go ahead and select that. Now, as you can see, your PDF has been successfully created, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.